Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to install Python IDE and Python interpreter. Python IDE is a integrated development environment. So in this video we are going to see the Python IDE PyCharm, how to download. Okay, we do have lot other tools like Visual Studio Code. You can download the favorite one which you are comfortable. The next one is Python interpreter. So Python IDE is nothing but it's a kind of text editor. In that place you can write the code. So in Python interpreter is nothing but it's a tool. It interpret and execute the code whatever you written in the IDE in the text editor. Let's begin. Python charm download. So in JetBrain you can see Python charm. You can click that. Python charm download. This is for Windows we are seeing. So in this tutorial we are seeing how to download in Windows. Okay, click here, execute. So it's started to download, and parallelly we can download Python. So here download Python, go to downloads, Windows, Python 3.14.3 we are downloading. So now you see Python 3.14.3 downloaded. Let's open this Python tool, and then you have to check this box, add Python exe to path, and then click install now. Let's wait to complete this process. Setup progress. Okay, setup was successful. Close this. Now we can download PyCharm text editor. Execute this. Click yes. Click next. Destination folder where you want to copy this downloaded executable files. I'm just keeping as it is. If you want, you can change it. So you can create desktop shortcut and then the left side ones. Then click next. Install. Let it be complete. Okay, I don't want to run now, so just finish it. That's it. We have downloaded both PyCharm Python interpreter. I hope you understand it. Thank you for watching.